Here's how you can change the watch orientation for your Galaxy Watch 7 or the Watch 7 Ultra. If you're viewing the clock face at the moment, go ahead and swipe down from the very top like this here and tap on the settings icon. Once you do this here, you'll see the settings and you want to go all the way down to where it says the general management. So just go down or just general in it. And as you're here, go down and keep going down until you see orientation. So from here now, you can choose the wrist, whether it's on your left hand or your right hand, and you'll notice nothing happens yet. But when you switch the button's position, because if you change it to the other side or another hand, the screen is going to rotate to match the positions of the button. So you'll see that it's going to switch over. So now if my watch is worn this way, it will match the buttons and the screen itself. Okay, so if I do this here, so you'll go to the left side here, and then I do to the right, it's going to do the other way around for me. And that's basically how it works. Like and sub.